Welcome to Health and Wellness for You and Your. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Trey Cooks. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make walnut banana bread. Some of our ingredients are going to include baking soda, milk, salt, walnuts, vanilla extract, flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and of course, bananas. So let's get baking. First, in a large mixing bowl, we're going to add 1 1/2 cups of sugar. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup softened butter. What I did was take butter out of the refrigerator, put it in a small glass dish, and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and you can do the same. Do you have any special memories associated with banana bread? Share your favorite banana bread stories with me in the comments. Before we add our eggs, we're going to whisk together our sugar and softened butter. If you do not have a whisk, you can just use a large spoon to mix it together, and that will be fine. Now we're going to add our 2 eggs. And a bit more whisking. From time to time, I'll be speeding up the video a little bit. Okay, next we're going to add 3 ripened mashed bananas. A bit more whisking. Boy, wouldn't it really be nice to cook at 4 times the video speed like we're doing in this video? Next, we're adding 2 tablespoons of almond milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Let's whisk, whisk, whisk. Next, we're adding 1 teaspoon baking soda. And we're adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's whisk it together. We are adding our 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, now here comes the whisking workout. We really have to put our wrist and elbow into it. So let's get to it. Do you have any dietary restrictions or preferences that you accommodate when making banana bread, such as using gluten-free flour or alternative sweeteners? Leave a comment or two. Let's add our 3/4 cup chopped walnuts. When you buy the chopped walnuts from the grocery store, they come chopped, but they're not fine enough. So I like to use cooking scissors, some people like to call them cooking shears, to finely chop up the walnuts so that way when you eat the banana bread, you don't get big chunks. When it comes to banana bread, do you prefer it plain and simple or loaded with delicious extras like chocolate chips or nuts? Leave a comment and let me know. Have you ever tried any unique variations of banana bread, like adding a different fruit or a spice? Thank you for leaving a comment. What's your secret ingredient for making the perfect banana bread? Share a comment or two and let me know. What time is it? It's baking time. All right, we don't have to grease our ceramic baking pan. If you're using a metal baking pan, you can grease the pan with any type of oil, butter, olive oil, Crisco, things like that. I'm going to pour all of our ingredients into a 9-inch by 5-inch loaf pan and fill it halfway. If you have any ingredients left over, you can make cupcakes. I know it is tempting to dip your finger in the raw ingredients, but it's not good to do that. It's not healthy. We all used to do it when we were little. We let our kids do it, but don't do it. It is not safe. Just make sure you don't eat raw flour. It says right on the flour bag, do not eat raw flour. Cook thoroughly. We're going to put all of our ingredients and baking pan in the oven and bake at 325 degrees for 65 to 75 minutes. While the banana bread is baking, I'm going to share with you 10 different types of banana bread, just in case you don't like walnuts. It's time for Trey's 10 creative different type of banana bread suggestions. Chocolate chip banana bread, a delicious twist on the classic with added chocolate chips for a decadent treat. The combination of chocolate and bananas is irresistible. Peanut butter banana bread. This variation incorporates creamy peanut butter into the batter, resulting in a rich and flavorful loaf with a hint of nuttiness. Coconut banana bread. Shredded coconut adds sweetness and a tropical flair to banana bread, transporting you to a sunny island with every bite. Blueberry banana bread. Fresh or frozen blueberries are folded into the batter, infusing each slice with bursts of juicy sweetness and vibrant color. Maple pecan banana bread. A delightful combination of maple syrup and chopped pecans adds a warm, comforting flavor profile to a traditional banana bread. Oatmeal banana bread. Rolled oats provide texture and a hearty, wholesome flavor to banana bread, making it a filling breakfast or snack option. Cinnamon swirl banana bread. A ribbon of cinnamon sugar is swirled throughout the batter, creating a fragrant and cozy loaf that's perfect for enjoying with a cup of coffee or tea. Let's check to see if our walnut banana bread is done. Insert a toothpick, fork, butter knife, or other near the center. If it comes out clean, it's done. Yay! And it's all clean, so it's done. This banana bread we've prepared is going to be simply delicious by itself, but let's go the extra mile and add a little icing on top. First, we're going to melt a quarter stick of butter in the microwave. We're going to add 3/4 cup to 1 cup powdered sugar. If you could choose one topping or mix in your banana bread, what would it be and why? Thank you for leaving a comment or two. We're going to add 1 to 1 1/2 tablespoons unsweetened almond milk. The icing needs to have a thickness to it, so if it's not as thick as you would like, add a little extra powdered sugar. Do you prefer your banana bread with a crunchy crust or a soft, moist texture throughout? Leave a comment and let me know. All right, now that we have the thickness and consistency of the icing that we want, it's time to add the icing on top of our walnut banana bread. Have you ever experimented with making banana bread in different shapes or sizes, like muffins or mini loaves? I appreciate you leaving a comment. Yum, yum, yum for the tum, tum, tum. All right, we're finally done and I can't wait to taste it. What's your favorite way to enjoy banana bread? Warm from the oven, toasted with butter, or perhaps with a dollop of whipped cream? I appreciate you sharing your stories in the comments. And there you have it. Walnut banana bread with icing on top. Now all we have to do is taste it and see how it tastes. Wonderful, sweet, buttery, and delicious. Thank you once again for joining me for another episode of Trey Cooks. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit your notifications so you can get my future videos directly to your cell phone and or computer. Make sure you have a wonderful, glorious, blessed day full of joy, happiness, peace, light, and most importantly of all, love. Cheers to your health.